Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to dive into one of the best supplements for boosting your performance, endurance, and muscle support, the L-Arginine HCL 1000MG Capsules. If you're looking to step up your fitness game and improve your exercise routine, you'll want to hear about this product. L-Arginine is a powerful amino acid that plays a vital role in your body's production of nitric oxide. And why is nitric oxide important? Well, it helps increase blood flow by relaxing the blood vessels, making it essential for improving exercise performance. This supplement offers a potent 1,200 mg blend of L-Arginine and L-citrulline per serving, perfect for maximizing your results during physical activities. What's great about this particular L-Arginine supplement is its formulation. It's specifically designed to help with muscle endurance and recovery, so whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or engaging in any physical activity, you'll feel the difference. The combination of L-Arginine and L-citrulline helps sustain energy levels and support endurance, which means you can push yourself further and recover faster after intense sessions. Another key feature is that these capsules are non-GMO and vegan, so they're ideal for those who are mindful of their dietary choices. Plus, they come in easy-to-take veggie capsules, making them convenient to integrate into your daily routine. One bottle contains 60 capsules, giving you a full month's supply, so you'll get consistent support for your fitness goals. Whether you're looking to improve your overall physical vitality or support your recovery post-workout, this supplement is designed to meet your needs. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality supplement to boost your performance and endurance, the L-Arginine HCL 1000MG capsules might just be what you need. As always, remember that supplements are designed to support a healthy lifestyle, but they work best when paired with a balanced diet and regular exercise. So, if you're ready to take your fitness routine to the next level, check out the link in the description below. To grab your bottle of this L-Arginine HCL 1000mg supplement today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.